Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through various forms of content, including articles, infographics, videos, and email newsletters. This video is part 2 of a 3-part series where I cover advanced uses of the substitution rule. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. In this video, we will evaluate the integral of x times root x minus 1 dx. We begin by letting u equals x minus 1. Solving for x, we obtain u plus 1 equals x, and our differential is du equals dx. Applying the substitution rule then gives the integral of u plus 1 times root u du. We now rewrite the root as a fractional exponent, giving us the integral of u plus 1 times u to the 1/2 du. Distributing the u to the 1/2 gives the integral of u to the 3/2 plus u to the 1/2 du. Integrating, we obtain 2/5 u to the 5/2 plus 2/3 u to the 3/2 plus c. Rewriting the fractional exponents as roots, we get 2/5 root u to the 5th plus 2/3 root u cubed plus c. Back substituting, we arrive at a final answer of 2/5 root x minus 1 to the 5th plus 2/3 root x minus 1 cubed plus c. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.